The Grand Dame just had a massive makeover, reopened last year. Tell us about the makeover here.
So, indeed, this hotel is an hotel that has been at the forefront of Roman hospitality for over 130 years. And when Dorchester Collection bought it, was with one very clear and simple mission, to restore it, to give it a new glory, and of course to give to the city of Rome its finest hotel ever. So it was a true labor of love that lasted 17 months. And we worked with the best designers, we sourced the best materials, whether it's the fabric, the marbles, and we worked with the best craftsmanship. So as I said, a true labor of love with one thing at the forefront. It was very much putting everything that is Italian, everything that is Rome into this hotel. So wherever you look, whether it's the marbles, whether it's the faucets, whether it's the handcrafted painting, you live and breathe Rome when you are in this hotel. You have a very strong sense of place. So you wake up in the morning, you open your eyes, you know where you are.
And some of the best hotel rooms in not just Rome, but all of Italy here too, aren't they?
Absolutely, absolutely. I think we're very proud of what we have achieved, and the feedback from everybody coming and stay, it's been fabulous. And as I said, we are in a very privileged position. As I said, Rome is inside, but also when you open your window, you see Rome outside, whether it's through the church bells of the Spanish Steps or the Dome of St. Peter's. We are in a very privileged position.
And very high quality products in the bedrooms as well, aren't they?
Yes, as I said, we had one clear mission to give and to have the very best of the best. So where we partner with some brands, it had to be the best Italian brands, like, you know, our bathroom amenities are by Bottega Veneta, which is of course a very luxury brand. And again, is it the curtains in our bedroom is Rubelli, which is a very famous producer of fabric. So as I said, we worked and we partner with the best.
Luca, how important is that attention to detail in a luxury hotel in Rome as well?
I think detail is everything. Details of everything, because there's a lot of thought, and everything seems effortless, everything seems to happen by magic, but the attention to detail and the thinking with the head of the guest and the experience of the guest at the forefront. Everything that we did with our guests at the forefront. So how can he live something of an experience which is seamless? How can he have the best sleep quality? How can, when he comes out of the shower, be very seamless to get from the simple thing, getting a towel, or have the best towel on himself? So the attention of detail was really, let's say, at the forefront of everything that we did.
There's exceptional service here though too as well.
Well, we like to think that. That's always been in the DNA of the Dorchester Collection. So yes, you have the product, but the product is absolutely nothing if you don't have the people that give the life and the soul to this product. So of course there's the, let's say, the element of being professional at what you do, but then there's also the human element, which plays a very strong part, and then lastly is the aesthetic element. So we work around these three to give very much a unique experience. And being Italian, everything comes from the heart, so definitely helps everything.
And also when you look at the hotel as well, you've got an amazing day spa here too, don't you?
Yes, that was something that we were indeed missing. I think the smart thing when Dorchester Collection bought this hotel, we didn't just close it and, let's say, restore it. We lived it for a while, so we could understand what it was and the magic, so we could create more magic when we restored it. And at the same time, we realized, okay, what are we missing? You know, we were missing a larger room, bigger suites, and we definitely were missing a spa. So that was one of the first things that we started, working as a project. And we have a beautiful spa, and the concept is all suite spa. So you have your private elevator that brings you downstairs, and everything happens in the privacy of your suite. So it's a very bespoke service. You have your own suite, you have your own shower, you have your own changing area, your own steam room area. Everything happens just for you in your own privacy.
And with the hotel, you've also got some amazing restaurants in here, don't you?
Oh, yes. Well, restaurants and bar was always, let's say, a big attraction for this hotel. You know, you sit on the top floor, you command the great views across the city. So we definitely wanted to elevate that experience even further. So we have one bar and two restaurants. One which is a casual dining. It also has an open air element. So you just sit outside, bask on the sun, and you really have these intoxicating views across the city. And then we have a fine dining with our chef Fabio Cervo, who in just 6 months gained a Michelin star. And of course, we're pushing forward to do even better. And the great thing is that the Romans they have loved this place always, since forever, and they continue coming and enjoying. This hotel is not just for the travelers, but it's also very much for the city of Rome.